A very good morning, all my dear students. I hope that you all are fit and fine at home. Okay, so in today's computer video, I'm going to start new chapter 2, parts of a computer. Okay. In previous video, I shared the answer sheet of chapter 1. Hope you all have completed. Okay. So let's get started with the chapter parts of a computer. As you all knows that we can do many things using a computer. Okay, and if I will tell you that for doing all different kinds of things, a computer need different types of parts also. Like for example, I'm telling you, take example of our body. In our body we have legs for moving, hands for working, eyes for watching, nose for smelling. So what all these are? These all are our body parts. Okay, our body is made up of different body parts. Each part has its own function, own work, right? Okay, similarly a computer is also made up of some parts, and each part has its own work. Okay, all these parts combine together and make a complete computer system which we used for doing different things. So basically you all knows that computer is an electronic machine. It runs on electricity and it has 4 main parts. Main parts means the parts without which a computer is not completed, which are essential parts of computer, जिनके बिना computer work नहीं कर सकता. Okay, so 4 main parts are monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. These 4 are main parts of computer. Okay, and there are some more parts that we use in addition. Okay, means without these part computer can work. Okay, these are not essential part, but for different things these all parts are required. Okay, like printer, microphone, speaker, headphone, CD, hard disk, pen drive. Okay, so about all these parts we will discuss later. In today's video I will explain you about main parts of computer, which are monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. So starting with monitor. What is a monitor? See, monitor, it is an output device. Output device means the devices which are used for displaying or for providing the final result after processing. If you all remember, I told you that a computer system works on an IPO cycle, input, process and output cycle. Okay, first we need to give any data or instruction as input, then that instruction or data is processed, and then at the last it gives result as output. So for accepting data from the user means the person who is using the system. So for accepting data from the user, computer needs input devices, and for processing part there are some devices for processing also, like CPU is the processing part. And after processing, for giving the output, computer needs output devices. So monitor is one of the very important output device. It looks like a TV screen, you all can see here. It looks like a TV screen, and whatever you type through the keyboard is an input device, because आप कहाँ से instructions देते हैं. ठीक है, अगर suppose you want to find sum of some numbers, okay, so for that you will type numbers from the keyboard. So keyboard is accepting input from you are the user. So keyboard is accepting the data, so it is called input device, and monitor is providing output, so it is called output device. Okay, so the monitor, whatever you type through the keyboard, through monitor you can see it also displays the final results. Means suppose you made any presentation and you run the presentation, that you can also watch on the monitor. Okay, and whatever you process you can see on the monitor. Next is keyboard. As I told you that it is an input device and it has many keys on it, means buttons. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys, and a keyboard is used for typing letters, numbers, words and special symbols. Okay, look at this picture, there are so many keys on it. Okay, although there are different kinds of keyboards which comes with different number of keys, but ideally a standard keyboard has 104 keys. Okay, it has alphabetic keys using which you can type alphabets from A to Z. Okay, and there are number keys from 10 to 9 which you can use for typing numbers. There are some special symbols also which you can use wherever you need. Okay, next very important part of computer is CPU. Okay, so CPU is called the brain of computer. Okay, will you tell me the work of brain in human body? What is the work of brain in human body? Without brain we can't think, we can't understand, we can't learn. Similarly, without CPU a computer can't understand, can't process and can't give result. Okay, whatever instruction you give, whatever output you need, each and everything is controlled and manages and processed by the CPU. That's why it is called the brain of computer. Okay, the full form of CPU is central processing unit. Okay, it helps computer to understand your instruction and it command it to process the data, and then it send the output to output devices to display the result to you. It also used for the storage of your data, means it also helps to remember the things where you are storing data. Taking track of all these things is done by the CPU. There are many parts inside the CPU also. Okay, there are some programs which are used for different things. Okay, next important device or important part of computer is mouse. Okay, why it is called mouse? Because it looks like a real mouse. जैसे कि normal mouse होता है उसके पीछे एक tail होती है, it looks like that, so that's why it is called a mouse. So what is a mouse? I hope you all can understand that mouse is an input or output device. mouse पे हमें कोई result तो display होता नहीं है, ठीक है, हम इस पे कोई result तो देखते नहीं है. We do click from mouse, we do double click, we select the things, we open the files, we make drawings. So you are using it for instructing the computer, so that is meant that it's an input device. A mouse is an input device. It has two buttons on it and a scroll wheel in middle. This using scroll wheel you can scroll up and down on the monitor, and left and right buttons. Okay, using mouse you can draw pictures, you can play games. Okay, and the right button is used for opening additional properties of any file. Means if you will select any file and if you will do right click, then it will display you the list of some additional commands. Okay, and this left click is used for selecting, deselecting and opening any files. Okay, and scroll wheel, I told you that it is used for scrolling the page or document. With the help of mouse, you can draw pictures, you can play games, you can select the things, you can open the things, you can drag the things. These are all the functions of mouse. There are two types of mouse, 2-button mouse and scroll mouse. Okay, so about types of mouse we will discuss in the next class, and I will explain you about some more parts of computer. Till then, revise whatever we have covered in this video. Take care of yourselves. Bye.